In a world where technology is rapidly advancing, drones have taken a central stage, transforming industries and redefining the way we view aerial operations. Drones, also known as UAVs, unmanned aerial vehicles, are not just flying cameras. They have evolved into sophisticated flying machines. In recent years, we have witnessed the development of some of the most advanced and fastest drones. These innovations combine speed, technology, and creativity, pushing the boundaries of what was previously thought possible. One of the most impressive creations in the realm of fast drones is the DRL RacerX. Often hailed as the fastest racing drone in the world, the DRL RacerX can reach speeds of up to 179.6 miles per hour, approximate 289 kilometers per hour. This marvel of engineering is designed for drone racing circuits, where agility and speed are paramount. Crafted with lightweight materials and a powerful motor, this drone is at the forefront of competitive drone racing. On the other side of the spectrum are advanced quadcopters designed for efficiency rather than sheer speed. Drones like the DJI Matrice 300 RTK stand out with their advanced AI capabilities and incredible endurance. While not built to break speed records, these drones excel in applications such as mapping, surveying, and even emergency response scenarios, showcasing the breadth of drone technology. Innovation doesn't stop there. The Skydio 2, known for its autonomous flying capabilities, represents a leap in AI integration. This drone can autonomously navigate complex environments, making it a favorite for filmmakers and tech enthusiasts alike. Further pushing the limits, drones designed for military applications also show tremendous speed and precision. The MQ-9 Reaper, for example, is capable of sustained flights with high endurance and speed. Designed mainly for long endurance and high-altitude missions, these drones illustrate the power of human ingenuity. Whether blazing through the skies at record speeds or capturing breathtaking landscapes autonomously. Carrying out precise and complex tasks with ease, the world's most advanced and fastest drones reveal a fascinating glimpse of the future of aviation. The possibilities are endless, limited only by the imagination and creativity of their creators.